我们现在到了我们的宾馆，公寓式的宾馆啊，这个名字我忘了，是英文的。
这个叫 Wyndham Suites。
Wyndham Suites， 这是我们的房间，有2张床，然后那里有厨房，后面，你看后面，旁边有厕所。
旁边有厕所，看一下厕所吧。嘿嘿嘿嘿。OK， 这样子。哦，这是 shower， 没有什么大事情。OK， 这是 Jessica。Great to have you in Chef's Kitchen, as well as Pastor Chuck. I wasn't prepared, dude. It's supposed to be candid. That's the master bedroom. And I'll show you around. That's Jojo. Kitchen, spa, and Joma. Hi. Then we've got washer dryer. Let's see what's in here. Ah, there's nothing in here. This is what it looks like outside. Okay, 651. There's Jessica again.
Stop it!
And then there's the heated pool that we'd like to go in. Huh?
You want coffee?
No thanks. There's a jacuzzi right there. No one's in there. And then there is another pool right there, but that's not heated, so no one's using it. And it kind of looks like this.